Hi there myself, how's it going? This video is basically the video explaining my first experiences with this. Whoa, that Abigail is so pretty back there. What the heck? I wish I could see that picture in like actual full detail. 'Cause that's hella pretty. I decided that maybe I want to try to make a game in this engine called the godot engine. I'm going to call it godot because that just sounds nice to me. I'm going to test out these projects and see how they work. I'm going to download this platformer 2D demo that they have for me. I'm going to go to my D drive. OO projects, games, create a folder, call it not a folder. I don't know why I'm calling it this or like putting it in this, but I'm going to put it in this for some reason. This was made with an older version. It needs to be converted. Do you want to convert it? Yes. C# support in Godot engine is in late alpha stage, and while completely usable, is not meant for use in production. Projects can be exported to Linux, Mac OS, and Windows, but not yet to mobile or web platforms. Okay, got it. Got it. Don't really show this. Oh wait, did I just uncheck hide this? Oopsies. Wonder why it is not responding. That's strange. Huh. Watch it just crash on me like it doesn't want to go on. It just, oh hey. We understand that you want to make a game in this little engine. While you're a Unity developer, we're not going to give you the chance to do that, as we're just going to crash before you can do anything. Would you like to see us just crash on you? And I say, what do you have against Unity? And they say it's too hard to use. It takes you like years to understand how the stupid program works, and then even years after you start, you have this problem where you might not be able to even create a game because your world's suck or something. Like, you're just stuck at one point in your career and you don't know how to get any further, and you're just stuck trying to make worlds that you don't even get any progress into. And then, pretty much, yeah, but like, seriously, this game engine thingy isn't working. The godot engine editor is not responding. Okay, you can die then. And here's the project that I was trying to load before. I don't think I'm allowed to click this button. Okay, I can. Let's press play. Arrow keys? Oh, no! It's very laggy. What's with this lag? Is it because I'm recording? If I check my task manager, Streamlabs and Twitch can go kill itself. Twitch, why do you keep reopening? Now it should work fine. It's a very laggy engine. Oh no. Oh, okay. So it's not death immediately. It's practically death immediately since... Ha, you have bad glitch. Oh, okay. Okay. So you swim by pressing the button more than once. I'm guessing this is death. It's pain. That's for sure. Hola. Esto pino e para tener la sigoi. Okay. Sigoi. And we're out of the world. No respawn. Just gone. I don't know what checking those do. I just check them. Can I check your script? We have collision. Canvas item. Okay. When it comes to codes, we have a canvas layer and a global variable thingy. Okay. I'm out of this scene. This kinda sucks. So, it's not something I would just normally go to. So, I'm actually going to remove it and choose something else. I'll make a new project. You told me that there... Oh, I get it. I get it. Please choose an empty folder. I have to choose an empty folder like I chose before. Games. Projects. Games. I'm actually going to make a new folder called the godot games. Make a folder called burrito. And select the current folder. Yeah. Okay. A root node and a 3D scene. Okay, so we have this. What? Where'd it go? Okay, it's immediately different than Unity. Okay. Let's say that I want to add in something new. Child node. I don't know what that is. Okay. Is there a way for me to add some kind of 3D object? Like a cube? No? Okay. I have a cube already, and I'm going to export it. I don't know if you can do an FPX. You know, I'm just saying random words at this point. I'm going to call this thing a cube. And I'm going to throw this FBX into this. And nothing happened. Oh, I have no idea what to do. I am actually confused. So does it not support these FBXs? Does an object file work instead? Exported as an untitled object. Yay! My untitled object is here. And it uses Blender's weird layering system. Mesh. How do I tell that I want it in the middle? Because it's obviously not in the middle. So does it not want to let me put it in the middle? Wait a minute. You're like trolling me. You have to go this entire confusing way just to figure out that all you need to do is make a random node and then don't do anything? Okay, so that makes no sense. I'm gonna try to put this in. Can I put this in the scene in a place that is actually like in the middle? Because these are not in the middle. This is not in the middle. I mean, I can obviously do this. Like, that's something I can do. But it becomes kind of pointless in ways. And now it's technically in the middle. But now that there's actually mesh, it's gonna let me create a sphere, quad, prism, plane, cylinder, cube, capsule, array. It's gonna let me create that after I made something in Blender? That's freaking stupid. Okay, so if I did want to ask this thing, if I told you, make a child node, spatial child node, not even a spatial child node's gonna help me with that. So it'd be a collision shape, and then I can add a box. But what the heck is this? A mesh instance. Okay. Okay. What? I don't get it. You mean like this? No? You can't do that? Oh yes, you can. And then you just throw that here. I'm confused. Like, if you think Unity is a bad engine, I'm not specifically calling this a bad engine. I'm just saying that this is confusing. Navigation mesh. I don't even know what's happening. I have no idea. I'm quitting. Don't save. It's not like I did anything. Careful, lady. You might end up showing a little too much on this video, and we don't want that to happen. I don't understand how to do that work. I mean, like, I understand how some of this somewhat works. That's, not fun. I was expecting it to be a little more nice to me. While it is a very, very small game engine, and a lot of the things are sort of open source. If I wanted to explain to you what I was going to try to do in the engine very quickly, very easily, I would try to make a plane for the player to walk around on, and then some kind of object as the player. I don't know how I would get a script onto the player, like a player script. That's a player networking lobby, not an actual player script. I could immediately open that in my favorite text editor, and I could try to just, like, move the player somehow. Because that wasn't smooth, I wanted to just make sure I had time.delta time in there. There's no, like, speed variable or anything. I just want to make sure that the script works properly, because earlier on I had this really weird bug when I was, like, recording something yesterday, or the day before yesterday. I haven't been paying attention, honestly, but now I should have the ability to move left, right, up, forward, and backwards. Right goes right, left goes left, forward goes forward, backwards goes backwards. Very cool. It's not doing that weird thing that was happening yesterday. I'm gonna make sure to add some kind of speed variable. Speed equals S. Why would it equal S? S doesn't mean anything. Why 0? I, for some reason, keep making speed 0. Times speed, what? Really? Hey Google, what does ambiguity mean?
Here's the definition of ambiguity. The quality of being open to more than one interpretation and exactness.
But, like, that is exactly the same object, the same variable. Don't even worry about it. It's just the text editor being a freaking weirdo. Now I have a speed variable that is not changeable because I forgot to make it public. There you go. Now you have this ability to just glide around on the ground for some reason. And if I had my controller plugged in, which, because it's glowing, means that I do, I have this amazing ability to just move just so slowly. Very nice. That's a very, very basic game made in this much time, when that other engine, I failed to get mostly anything other than a default Blender cube. I don't understand the godot engine. I'm gonna try to figure it out later on again. Hold that off until later? I don't know. Thanks for watching. If you want to see another one of these weird things, you can subscribe if you want to. I'm not holding you accountable for you subscribing. It's not like I care or anything. And before we go, my wife is pretty, honestly. She really